we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
Hold on. What's up, guys? So, back at it with Forever Fresh.
Forever fresh.
Forever Fresh.
This is our first vlog.
This is gonna be the first vlog.
It's not gonna be too good,
Yeah, probably not the best, but
we're at least trying.
yeah, we'll get the hang of it eventually. So, Merry Christmas. This should be uploaded by the end of the day.
If not, we'll post two videos
tomorrow. So, because we're gonna try to,
Cause like we've been trying to do multiple things like reaction, gaming.
yeah,
Cause for Christmas,
we're trying to find our theme that we want to start making videos about.
like we'll keep up with the vlogs,
But we want to like
we want to try
figure
other
out like
things.
other things that we can do in our
Like,
vlog.
if you don't really like them, if you like them,
Like we might do like a couple reactions like a week, like maybe 2 reactions on Wednesday and the other one on Monday. Like I don't know.
and then like one gaming video a week, like on, let's see, Thursday.
But who knows? We're just thinking out loud.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be doing some intros, making at least 2 intros, and you guys can decide which
And-
one you like better, and
And then
we'll
when
end
you
up going
choose
with that one.
those, we're gonna make an outro, 2 of them.
Yeah. So the
One of them.
the intro that gets the most likes will end up being our official intro for now.
Okay.
Anything you want to say?
No, not really. Oh yeah. And if you want to see any like drone videos, we just might.
We might. Comment down below yes or no if you want to see drone videos, because we have a Phantom 3 back at the house, but not sure if we're gonna do it.
Yeah. Yeah, over here we found like
And so
I really don't know what to talk about. But yeah, there was like this thing that happened.
alright, so subscribe, comment, and
Do whatever you want.
yeah.
Whatever.
And I guess that's it for this vlog. Peace. Are you gonna
Peace.
say peace? Alright. Guys, we were just recording when we found all of this meat. Look,
Look, show them
Right here,
like the whole
in the
thing.
middle of nowhere. Some turkey legs also. More whatever the heck that is. More. And let's go show them the last one. And more. Oh crap. Guys, that is just so funny. We're outside walking and we find all of this meat just
Sitting here.
I know, like, what the heck? Alright, guys, well, that's about it. Get ready to watch our video.